How to connect TapSwap to Tonkeeper wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, you need to open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Tonkeeper. After that, open it up and install it. After opening it up and installing, just simply set up your account with Tonkeeper. Then open up TapSwap. And after you open up TapSwap, simply click on this option of Boost. And over here you will be able to find the option of Boost 2x. So when you click on it, you will be getting the option of connection, but it is not available for me right now as TapSwap has removed that particular option. So it is completely fine if it is not there for you as well. You just have to wait for the TapSwap to give that particular option back. So whenever that option appears, make sure that your Tonkeeper is already up to date, so you can just simply connect it quite easily. Simply click on that particular boost option and connect it to your Tonkeeper. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.